So are you confusing which programming language I should learn in 2022? So or after completion of your graduation? Then this is the best video. I will explain which programming language used which purpose in real time also. So you don't need to learn all programming language, guys. Based on your interest, based on your skills and ability, you can choose the programming language. So as a fresher, no need to learn all technologies, guys. You should learn one programming language and be confident on that. So if you are a science graduate student, then this video is very helpful, guys. So if you are very passionate towards to develop web applications, gaming applications, scientific applications, desktop applications, then you have to choose any one of these programming languages. And I will also explain where these programming languages are used. By using these programming languages, what kind of applications are developed by using these programming languages, I will explain all those things. So please watch it till the end of video, then you can choose the programming language based on your interest. So these are the top 5 programming languages, guys, in 2022 to develop the web applications or desktop applications or mobile applications or scientific applications or enterprise applications as well. These are the most programming languages are used by in IT industry to develop their applications or projects in the worldwide. Okay, so the first one is JavaScript, guys. By using JavaScript, we can develop the dynamic web applications. We can also call this JavaScript programming language universal language, because in each and every application, in each and every product, they are using JavaScript programming language because of their performance and their speed. Now I will tell you few companies where we are using JavaScript. So Netflix, Facebook, Uber, LinkedIn, and one of the famous video game also like Candy Crush. So these are all the softwares are developed by using JavaScript only. Any software can be developed not only by single programming language, guys. You just remember that one. Okay, they will use multiple programming languages to develop the one product. Okay, so JavaScript also one of the part to develop a product based application like client side development to interacting the web applications. So as a beginner, if you learn JavaScript, in the future you can become full stack developer as well by learning Java or any C# or any Python or any Node.js. So that much powerful JavaScript programming language. That's why I placed this one first one place. Okay, and the second one is Python. So Python programming language also very popular in the IT market nowadays, guys. Okay, so as a fresher, you can choose to learn Python programming language. So once you learn Python programming language, in the future you can learn AWS supported technologies, and then you can become like a data scientist as well, or data engineer or machine learning engineer. Okay, so you can become a Python developer or machine learning engineer or AI engineer or big data developer or data engineer. Okay, so you don't learn as a beginner all these technologies, but as a beginner, first learn one programming language. That's enough, guys, to enter into the IT field. So don't try to learn all the technologies at a time. So if you learn all the technologies at a time, then the output will be zero knowledge only. Okay, so don't try to become a full stack developer in the early stage only, because as a fresher there are no job opportunities for full stack developer. Okay, even in the campus placements as well, for freshers they should know only any one programming knowledge. They don't ask about any AWS related questions or any cloud related one. If you have basic knowledge, that's enough. Okay, So the third one is, it's a Java programming language. So by using Java, we can develop desktop applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications. Mobile applications are nothing but Android applications. Okay, so we can develop gaming applications as well. This Java programming language can be used by all product-based companies to develop their products, like Twitter, Google. Okay, so many product-based companies are using Java programming language. Okay, so if you learn Java programming language as a beginner, then you can become in the future then you can learn any technology. You can easily move to any technology if you learn Java programming language as a fresher. Okay, and the fourth one is, it is a C# or .NET. It's completely Microsoft related product, guys. To develop the Microsoft related products, we are using C# and .NET, because Microsoft related stacks, they prefer only C# or .NET related technologies only. They prefer only Microsoft related technologies only. So that's the reason this is also one of the best programming language, C# as well. So based on your interest, you can choose. And the fifth one is C++. And C++ is also one of the best and popular programming language. Even nowadays also, all product-based companies and service-based companies are using C++ to develop the browsers, compilers, and also YouTube also running based on the C++. Okay, and some video gaming applications also run by using C++, and MySQL database also developed by using C++ only. And Amazon, all major product-based companies are using C++ because of the performance and speed. And even Adobe Photoshop software also developed by using C++ only. Okay, so if you are trying to get job in product-based companies, then I highly recommend you, either you have to learn C++ or Java, guy, as a fresher. So if you are trying to get in product-based companies. Okay, these are all the popular top 5 programming languages in 2022 to learn as a student or absolute beginners. So if you have any doubts, guys, please comment in the comment box. I will reply to your queries. So, and also, if you feel this video is very helpful, then share to your friends also, guys. And if you have visited our YouTube channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.